What up, beardsmen and soon to be beardsmen, right? So I wanted to make a fun and quick video because we are in full swing in beard season. Now I know you're asking, Scott, we are just getting done with summer. We're in the midst of August, but I wanted you guys to know, for you guys that want this beard glory, time starts now. It's one thing to start your beard on the 1st of November, but it's another to have a beard on the 1st of November. For you guys that want to achieve this beard glory, you guys want to have a certain length of time to grow out that beard. And 2 to 3 months is key for growing out a great looking beard. So strap in, get ready for a crazy, fun, wild ride for the next 3 months. We're gonna be going over beard oil, balm, butter, even wax. That's right, from Artiest Man. We're gonna need products and tools to style out our beards, our mustaches. We're also gonna need to know how to style the beard, how we need to keep it nice and tight for that proper look that we want. That way we've got a nice, solid beard for the season. So if you guys can, today is the day to stop shaving. Put that razor away, put those clippers away, tell your barber I'm taking a break. So let your family know, let your friends know, let everyone know that you're growing out the beard. We're gonna have some fun times. I'm gonna help you guys out along the way. So keep coming back to the channel. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing a live stream. I'm gonna put in Honest Ape Beard Co. We'll do a fun giveaway, kind of start off the season right. So you guys follow along, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always. See you guys on the flip side. See ya.